Hey everybody, this video we have a Uhaul storage locker lock that I don't know if you can see it right there. It's actually picked, but the shackle will not move. Even with a key, it won't even wiggle. I don't have a key, but it wouldn't matter. The customer lost the key to this one and tried to get it off himself with bolt cutters, and the bolt cutters broke before the lock did, but he did manage to pinch it in there good where the shackle has like no play at all. Usually these things will wobble a little bit. Here's another one, and there's usually some play to them. But no deal on this one, it's seized up. So I do want to pick this on video, so I'm going to head out to the garage with an angle grinder, and I'm going to just cut this side off as well, and then see if we can't get the lock to turn while picking it. So yeah, run out to the garage and do that, and assuming that I still have all my fingers and stuff when I'm done, I will be picking it on video. Alright, so we're back here. What I did, is I just trimmed it with the angle grinder, brought it back in, and just stuck a pick in it, and then this happened. Just went ahead and cut through the rest of the shackle so it's not pinched anymore. Now it moves the hair, so might be able to actually pick it now.
Here's a reminder. Close the shed.
Yes, Alexa, have you heard that? And yeah, I guess it was already picked is what it was, or one pin was picked, so I locked it back, wanted to actually pick it. Could not get it to do anything, move or anything, so went ahead and cut it a little bit, put it in the vise, squeeze with the vise, and then able to just go ahead and pop the cylinder out like any hero would do in this situation. And I wasted pretty much a whole grinding wheel doing that, but whatever. Now I've sprayed some trifle in it, cleaned it up at tags. It's just a lot of grease in these things, and the grinding wheel that just kind of turns into a powder, which mixed with the grease turns into a nice paste, which is awesome. So anyway, now that it's out, I'm not going to be able to tension it with that, so I'll try this and we'll try this. I wish I had a key to see if this thing will even turn. I imagine it should. Just can overcome some lack of talent. Yeah, a lot of luck will get you a long way. A little luck will get you a long way. Not as far as skills, but we'll take what we can get around here. thought I had it. Telling you, man, these Uhaul locks usually aren't hard to pick. Yeah, this one wasn't either, just the shackle couldn't move. Yeah, I don't see really any reason why it shouldn't turn. I hear pins falling back down. And there's a little bit of play in the core. Yeah, I mean, thing if it's in the lock should pick counterclockwise. I mean clockwise. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to be able to pick it this way. Try it like this. There it goes. Went that way real easy. And my doorbell's about to ring, so car pulling up. I'm going to try to gut this. The pins will fall out. They're filled with shit. Alright, fuck it. Enough of this. Now that's picked. That'll work. Going in the trash now. So that'll do it for this video. And we will talk to everybody later.